हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे यूजीसी नेट के जून 2000 के लाइब्रेरी साइंस के पेपर के बारे में। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन सीसी द प्रिंसिपल दैट हेल्प्स इन द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ पर्सनालिटी कैटेगरी इज लेटर इन टाइम। In DDC, phonics schedules represent classes which are completely changed. What is the relationship between ISBD and cataloging code? The cataloging codes will include bibliographic description. Which are of the following is not a part of the mark record structure? Check digit. Which of the following combinations is wrong? That is relational indexing, EJ codes, biographical abstract. Citation indexing was first developed in the field of science. In a thesaurus under an item internal migration, which of the following lines would you expect to find? All of the above. That is BT migration, anti-rural to urban migration, RT international migration. The PERT approach is a device developed to better utilize of time in a series of activities. The acronym POSCOP was coined by the Gulick and Urvik. The basic theory of human motivation was propounded by Abraham Maslow. The method of budgeting, which is not concerned with the requirements of the future, is known as zero-based budget. Among the different Boolean operators, AND is used to widen the search. Which of the following is not a secondary source of the information? That is patents. So patent is the primary source of the information. Which of the following reference source will you consult to locate information on the Pokhrantage from the Asian recorder? Information about Indian research studies on bakery and milling is input to IFIs through Central Food Technological Research Institute. Which of the following is not an example of current awareness service? That is indexing bulletin. Non-bibliographical database contain all of the above, that is numerical data, textual data and visual data. Indexing and abstracting sources are available in print, optical and online. Among the three formats there is usually a difference both in price and in capability. In an empirical study on the impact of television viewing on violence, violation will be the dependent variable. A big difference between the mean and median is an indication that there is a wide variation in the data. Which of the following research methods is useful in a study on measuring the active life of periodicals? That is citation analysis. Which of the following types of memory is volatile? That is RAM. Which of the following is not a programming language? ASCII. When you create a worksheet in CDS IS, you are defining the internal file structure. UNESCO information program is known as PGI. Which of the following networks does not have its own telecommunication infrastructure? That is INIAS. OPEC stands for Online Public Access Catalog. In a communication model, noises refers to lack of understanding between sender and the receiver. Zero growth libraries contradict fifth law of library science. The statement is false, since there can be no zero growth in the library. SANDOC is the National Center for Small Scale Enterprise. Extension service to the blind by public libraries justified by the fifth law of library science. The table standard subdivision helps a classification scheme both the above, that is to ensure consistency to add mnemonic value. Which of the following names are associated with the post coordinate indexing? That is Tobbe, Morse and Baton. A document description is not found in a class number. The following is not an example of repackaging of information, that is catalog. In UDC, the interrelationship between two subjects denoted by a colon. GOC helps libraries in determining the foreign exchange rates. In library, which of the following positions are line positions? So that is 1 and 3rd, the junior library assistant and 3rd deputy librarian. An organization structure is determined by span of control and hierarchy. According to AARC2, the heading of the main entry for conference proceeding edited by an individual is prepared under the name of the conference. Indian National Bibliography does not include official reports. The subject heading money and inflation are both used in a retrieval system, that is be linked by a see also reference. The resource sharing strategy of a library may not include restricted access. Which of the following is not a national library, that is Smithsonian Institute? UNESCO Public Library Manifesto was revised in 1994. The ICP did not lead to the development of mark format. In quick index, the keyword appears at the beginning of each entry. The relationship between the term ships and boat is syntactic relation. Which of the following cannot be regarded as a multimedia, that is a web page? Invisible College network of people interested in the same subject and help in communication. Thank you.